Hello everyone, welcome to my channel。多謝收睇我嘅頻道。Thanks for watching this episode。多謝收睇我今日嘅片。So today it is a rainy day。今日咧係落雨天 ，rainy day 落雨天。Actually here，it's very dry。其實呢一度咧係好乾燥 ，very dry and seldom rains。好少落雨，好少落雨。But today it rains。但係今日咧，落雨喎。I feel good。我都覺得好好。感覺好好。I feel good。感覺好好。Although I can't see the sunshine， 雖然咧見唔到陽光 ，but I enjoy the rain。但係咧我都好享受啲雨啦。And I like the sounds of rain。我好中意嗰啲雨聲啊，聲嘅 sound。So 落雨聲 ，the raining sound。落雨聲，我覺得好舒服。I feel so comfortable and relaxed。我覺得個人會好放鬆，好輕鬆 relaxed， 好輕鬆，好放鬆。And I want to share with you a very famous how to say quotation in Hong Kong. It's about raining. Actually, it came from an advertisement. So it is say 落雨又使乜驚喎 So 落雨 raining 又使乜驚喎 So why why afraid of raining? Why afraid of rainy day? 落雨又使乜驚喎？相信明天會更好。So believe that tomorrow will be a better day. 相信 believe 明天 actually is the written form of 聽日 tomorrow。相信明天 tomorrow 會更好 will be better。相信明天會更好，落雨又使乜驚喎？相信明天會更好。Okay, thanks so much for watching and see you all again。我哋再見，多謝收睇，拜拜。